So in this video, we will covering all the beginner strategies and all the beginner guide to start selling and make money on Fiverr. So before this, remember, it doesn't matter whether you are a college student, you are a graphic artist, you are talented writer, you are software developer, or stay at home mom who is thinking to start making some money from home. So there are a lot of ways you can use to make money online, and most of them are reliable source that help you make a decent income every month. Fiverr, one of the most popular option today to create an online income where you can create and provide your services, also called gigs. So which will allow you to create making some real money online. Let's start how to earn money on Fiverr with the Fiverr guide in this video. So before this, let's start with what is Fiverr. What is Fiverr? Basically, it is a global online marketplace to buy. You can sell services that offer people to get whatever they want just for $4, $5, $6, hence the time. So this is the basically reason why Fiverr has become such a huge hit in no time. And as you know, Fiverr was founded in 2009. Then since it has been helping people to outsource and also helping many sellers to make money online. So this market is primarily used by freelancers who making money on Fiverr by offering their services to its customers on a global or cross country or scale. So the first thing you need to do is set up a profile, and first you have to you will need to create an account to sell on Fiverr. So from the Fiverr homepage, this homepage, click the become a seller. Okay, so become a seller. Okay, so from this homepage, from the Fiverr homepage, click enter your email address, and for example, let me this says sorry, this email can't be registered. Let's try another one. Okay, so you can also join with Facebook, Google Connect and others. So connect me through my Google account. Okay, so basically your username cannot be changed once you have activated your account. So your username is your display name within your Fiverr URL. So choose it is wisely. Your username cannot be minimum of 15 characters and cannot contain the special characters. And choose a password. It is recommended to use the strong password, and then activation link in the email will be sent for you to activate your account. So now this is my profile. You can see I am a level 1 seller now. So sellers are evaluated on a range of parameters, and you can earn your way up to the ladder as a seller. You can see that I have 22 reviews from here. Not everyone leaves a review. So this is what you will see when you preview public mode, which is what your potential clients will see in addition to the gigs you have posted. So first you have to do is, when you set up your profile, you will set up how would like to be paid. I use mostly PayPal, but you can also connect your Stripe account and transferring money. Once it is cleared for the withdrawal, it is easy, and my money post to PayPal as soon as I transfer it. So your profile should include a professional photo of you. First thing you have to keep in mind. So as well as the summary of who you are and what kind of services you offer. So here is my profile. You can see here. You will also have the opportunity to take tests to show your 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 work proficiency in the different areas. Here are the various tests available to you to show your skills and what areas you can show in mastery. You also will want to add some skills and your education background, as well as any certification you have to further show your credibility to any would-be clients. So now there are a great many services you can offer on Fiverr by setting up your gig. So click on your create a new gig. Simply, as you can see by the this screen of my gigs, my focus is on basically my development side, but you can offer web services, you can create book covers, you can advertise graphic, you can design websites, you can edit, write, among the other things. So consider the services you do best and offer these gigs first. So basically you have to keep in mind that keep your gigs simple, but offer very clear directives on what you require from the client and what the gig include and what the pricing of it. So clients can request a quote, refer to your own gig pricing of existing gigs and the scope of work the client needs to prepare a quote for them. You can then select to create a special offer in which you will sum up what was discussed with the client and what the order will entitle. So look at other gigs of my profile. You can search my profile as Ataullah Shafiq. So same category at the gigs you will offer to get an idea of how other professionals are handling and setting up their gigs, and this is a very helpful way to you get started. Basically start cheap. I started editing and writing my programming post at $5 each until I had a few ratings under my belt, and then begin raising prices a little at a time. So get a friend to order from you, even if you independently refund their money, just so you can get those first few orders you posted. And many thanks to lot of my friends who helping me to get my Fiverr off the ground. So basically use a professional at your own field. So click on continue, then again continue. Okay, your first name, your last name, your profile, then professional info, then linked account, then account security. Then click on next, and this will so final my advices are the be professional at all time, be friendly at all time, be because many clients will ask for extra work beyond what was agreed to. So this is good time to offer an additional special offer for them, even if only for $5 or $10. At least you get a little for the extra time. And second thing is answer your messages as soon as you can, as soon as possible. and turn it your orders before completion time. You are able to request more time for an order, but the client will have to approve the request. And second thing is offer add-on services. Only offer add-on services. Keep the order within the scope of what has been ordered, but also be helpful with the follow-up, and offer add-on that can be helped to boost your profits. You are provide more value to the clients. And final advice is, don't sell yourself short for too long. There is balance between being low paying orders and being priced higher, but getting fewer orders as your reviews increases. So should your fees until you are charging enough to make it worth your time. So thank you for your time, and best of luck with all of your monetizing efforts. If you are interested in doing development sites as a source of income, and so this video maybe is for you.